Victor Oko-Jumbo, there are so many dignitaries here that it's difficult to mention everyone by name. I see people I haven't seen for such a long time. Now, when I was being introduced, and I'll come back to recognitions, when I was being introduced, I was introduced as different things. But the one thing that I wasn't introduced as, and which is my greatest pride, is being an ambassador, a son of Rivers State of Kalabari in Lagos. I am an ambassador of this wonderful region, and I'm overwhelmed. I didn't come, Your Excellency, I didn't come with a written speech. I thought I would speak from the heart because I'm overwhelmed by this gathering. You can see the happiness on the faces of everyone here. You can see the turnout and the gladness of everyone that is here because of what you have done. Your Excellency, we're here to commission the reconstruction of a road. But before I do that, Iyamayanabo, Aisim, His Royal Majesty Bobo Israel Bob Manuel, and the other Royal Highnesses here present. Yalapo neglect, generations of neglect in these parts have impoverished the land. This part of this dear country used to be a hub of development. Abonima was a very active port. My father used to tell me as a boy how he used to see huge ships coming to the Abonima port. So transportation and connectivity was at the heart of development. But generations of neglect have brought us to this point. And it has taken you, Your Excellency, to restart the process of development to bring us to where we should be. We're here to commit to a flag off the Abonima, Degema, Tema, Abalama, Buguma Road. But Your Excellency, I can't come here and not, first of all, thank you for the tenacity of purpose and courage in commissioning the Trans-Kalabari Road. The Trans-Kalabari Road has been a road that has been on the books for decades. But as my king said, no other governors had the courage to take it on as you have done. For that, we are eternally grateful. It is a milestone, it is a legacy project, and it will open up this entire region. I want to acknowledge the local government chairman of the 3 local government areas, Akokutoru, Asaretoru, and Degema local government areas, who are all here and will all, as you said in your speech, Your Excellency, benefit from this wonderful initiative. Roads are the foundation of development, the cornerstone of development, because they provide the artery for other forms of development, water, electricity, telecommunications. Without roads, it's very difficult to do all that. It brings access, brings inclusivity, it brings urban development. It reduces urban migration, people moving from the rural areas to urban areas. With these roads, Your Excellency, that you're commissioning, I can live in Buguma or live in Abonima or live in Degema and work in Port Harcourt. That's what you're doing for us, Your Excellency. And for that, we are so grateful. The magnitude of the Trans-Kalabari Road is what has deterred others before your time. The sheer magnitude, the colossal volume of water that it has to traverse. 3 kilometers of suspended bridges is no mean feat, Your Excellency. There are very few parts of this country that have that sort of infrastructure. And therefore, we cannot be but grateful. Now I come to the reason we're here today. This wonderful initiative, reconstruction. It also shows, Your Excellency, that you're a listening governor. 6 months ago, you commissioned the Emoha Tema Road. And at that commissioning, I gather, our chiefs and elders pointed out to you the terrible state of the road that connected that junction. And you undertook to look into it. Nobody would have expected that 6 months later you would be back here personally to flag off this road. That says a lot. It says a lot about you. It says a lot about your character. It says a lot about the tenacity of your purpose to develop this state across the board. Your Excellency, I come from this place. It's wonderful to be home. My mother comes from Buguma. My mother came from Buguma. My father from Abonima. My ancestral home is in Tema. I was talking to Dr. Emi Membre, and he was telling me about some minor difficulty we have around the culvert or something around that area. These are my people, Your Excellency, and I'm so happy that you chose me to be here this afternoon to flag off this wonderful project. I believe that when your time comes to an end after you have finished as Governor of Rivers State, we will all remember today and remember all these wonderful things, initiatives you have carried out to show your love. Nobody invests 250 billion naira anywhere unless he really loves the people who are going to benefit from that project. There can be no greater testament. And although this road, Your Excellency, is a fantastic infrastructure project, it's more than that. It's a testament of your character. It's a testament of your nobility. It's a testament of everything that is good in good governance. You come here, as you leave here, you go to other parts of this wonderful state and do the same thing and create an inclusivity that you will be rewarded for, Your Excellency. This is really not a speech-making day, but I cannot say all this to express my gratitude, my personal gratitude, and the gratitude of all our people here gathered in such wonderful numbers, the happiness that we have, and we know you are a man of your word. There are many who flag off projects but don't complete them. But Your Excellency, you have shown in the short time you have been governor of our state that you're a man of your word, you keep your word, you're a man of honor, and you will do what you have said you will do. And so we thank you. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts for this wonderful initiative. In closing, I just wish to say, as a child, I grew up in these parts. I lived with my grandparents in Abonima. And I have records. In fact, I've actually written a book which details some of this that's going to be published shortly. I used to be taken across the river from Abonima to Degema in an open canoe. It's very short distance. See how long it has taken for the road to Abonima to have been built. See how long it has been taken for us to be able to drive to Abonima. Now we can drive to Opobo. Thank you, Your Excellency. And now we're going to have the Trans-Calabari Highway. We're going to have the Abonima, Degema, Tema, Abalama, Buguma Road completed. And the representative from Julius Berger, on an amusing note, mixed up Abalama with Alabama. But it was not a slip, Your Excellency, because you are going to transform Abalama into Alabama. Thank you, Your Excellency.